Again, I bet you didn't expect me back that quickly. Here's part 2. I found 10 paintings that were missing, and I want to include them in the exhibition. So these are 14 by 14s. Maybe zoom out a little bit. Maybe zoom in a little bit. I have more time. I only have 10 paintings. But I will link the first video under this video, and I will publish both of them. So, this was a Mead and Swipe. I didn't shimmer that at you, did I? It has some, the green is just subtle but shimmery, it's beautiful. So same thing as everything else. Mention the time you saw something. If you're interested in making a purchase, my email address is under Show More. When you click Show More underneath the link tree, underneath the video, and the link tree is where you'll find everything. And if you can't find something, please just ask me in comments, because I'm a very helpful person if I am given the opportunity. I think this was one of twofer, and I don't think you've seen many of these videos yet either. I think they're coming soon, and they will be, if they're 7700 series, they will be included in the slideshow that I'm almost ready to publish. I love this. This floats my boat. I hope you can see the shimmer in that as well as I can. I got one more. I didn't think I was going to like this. I tried a red and black with Mead. I don't think there was any silver in there, although next time I would put silver in there. Make sure we're all in frame. No, we're not all in frame. Hopefully I was. In any case, I want to turn that other light out. See if that helps, because the camera's exposure is usually pretty good, except for it's not focusing the same way it used to. I could call that cosmic blank, but I don't think anybody would appreciate my sense of humor. So that's got beautiful shimmer in it. That was really fast and really fun to do. I'm not sure. I'm showing you this because I wasn't sure. That doesn't belong there. Paint chips. They rule my life. That is the beach scene that I redid. Those are not spots. Those are paint chips. And it's so beautiful and shimmery in person. Then there's more swipes. I did a whole series of swipes that are coming up using the Mead and black and white as catalysts. And this is my last piece. And I just want to tell you guys there's just about 92,000 subscribers. 91 and change right now because it's because it's not quite March. It's still February. But maybe if I zoom in you can see that better. The colors and the little tiny subtle cells are just beautiful. That's water for me. Alright, so you guys have just maybe listened to everything that was involved in the last video. Please give me a thumbs up. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Share them, watch them longer, and when the notifications come out, chop my Amazon link at no added cost to you, and it helps me out eventually. And look for my 2 books, because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities on the Amazon link. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time, and thank you for the kind words that you give me that keep my morale boosted and keep me coming back. And thank you for inspiring the heck out of me. I love you guys, like, so much. I can't even tell you and let you know how much I appreciate you. Alright, so under the link tree, look for Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. And you will find my dailies on Instagram. When I'm painting, that's where I put my fresh art. I will see you guys anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, again with the Lost 10. I will see you later. Bye for now. 1:30 p.m. and 10 p.m. on weekends, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night when I post my videos. Except for the exhibition video, which gets posted whenever it gets done. So I'm going to go upload this now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. Priscilla out.